Wouldn't it be easier if you just did all of the cutting and didn't need to teach me? Would that work better?
That would be great, but you gotta learn, you know.
Fair enough, fair enough.
I'm Bella. I work in the paint department at Bunnings. Painting, it's always been something that's a part of my life in one way or another.
I think she enjoys making the mess more than, cleaning it up.
The thing I love about painting is that I can create my own world to escape to, and playing around with new techniques is probably the most enjoyable thing about painting. Things go wrong all the time, which to me is half the fun, because you learn from that. Bob Ross said happy accidents, which I really love to think of it that way. Painting helps me appreciate everything around me a lot more. What once was a walk in a garden turned out to be somewhere that a lot of my art is drawn from. Another place that I draw a lot of inspiration from is my job at Bunnings and working in paint. The best thing is the connections that you create with customers, getting into their projects, and you get really into their renovations. It's amazing having a job that relates back to my biggest passion. With our renovations at home, it's finally good to be able to teach Dad something instead of Dad always teaching me, like what paints, all different brushes that work well.
So how you're blending it out now is really good.
Dad tries his best to be a good student, so usually we get the job done quite well, and it makes me happy being in a space that I've helped create. Or whatever you're passionate about, everybody should give it a go.